As strange as it may sound, the European Central Bank is keeping an eye on prices across the 20 countries that use the single currency. Eurostat, the EU statistical agency, revealed that while the official inflation rate dropped from 8.5% in February to 6.9% in March, food prices continued to rise, increasing by 15.4%. On the other hand, core inflation, which excludes energy and food prices, rose to an all-time high of 5.7%. Although the drop in energy prices was largely the result of Russia's non-involvement in the Ukraine in March, it appears to have had a negligible impact on inflation overall. This data paints a complex picture of the European cost of living. Although energy costs are going down, the cost of other goods isn't. Analysts at ING Bank believe the European Central Bank will continue to raise interest rates in response to the rise in core inflation. According to Bert Klein, a senior economist for the Eurozone at the bank, hikes are expected in the coming months. He said, "We expect another 0.25-point hike in May and another in June. As the inflation outlook is starting to look more benign, and recent banking turmoil serves as an illustration that aggressive hikes are not without cost, we expect a peak to be reached thereafter." Data for UK inflation in March has yet to be published, though February figures showed an increase in both headline and core inflation. Global Market Intelligence's Diego Iscaro believes the pressure of food prices will dissipate by the second quarter, while core inflation will remain relatively stickier due to rising nominal wages and profit margins. For many Eurozone countries, inflation has been an issue for some time. Although the energy component of consumer spending is declining, other items remain on the high side. It remains to be seen how the ECB will respond to this dilemma. It is possible it may take a proactive role in addressing the problem ahead of further hikes in interest rates. If not, Eurozone residents will undoubtedly deal with the consequences of rising costs for the foreseeable future.